Hello everybody. In this video I will show you what Arduino is in 60 seconds. So don't forget to subscribe and let's do it. What is an Arduino? Arduino is an open-source electronic platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Using Arduino we can create interactive objects. The Arduino board receives data from various sensors and sensors, for example a light sensor, a distance sensor or just a simple button, and based on this data it controls some outputs. In order for the Arduino board to do what we need to create a program for the Arduino microcontroller. To do this, we will use the Arduino programming language based on the wiring language and the Arduino software IDE, based on the processing environment. Why Arduino? Thanks to its simple and accessible user interface, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. The Arduino software is easy to use for beginners. Thank you for watching, subscribe.